Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
This video once again shows how powerful a tropical storm is and how weak a person who finds himself face to face with it is.
Oh! Oh my god, that guy fell! Oh my god, that guy fell! Oh my god!
Look at how easily the tornado throws up the air SUV. Even in the middle of the desert, he managed to almost crash, but luck was on his side. People living in this clean and quiet area definitely did not expect to see such a thing on their street. Everyone knows that before leaving for the road you need to look around. But not this guy. It seems that no GPS navigator has yet learned to anticipate this.
Hello.
Perhaps no name other than the road to hell is suitable for this section of the highway. This footage from Mississippi demonstrates how powerful a tornado can be. Keep the instructions on how to get a mini heart attack. I think the cameraman was screaming in his heart out of fear. In the U.S. state of North Carolina during the flood, several houses turned into drifting ships. This guy almost solved the dispute of skiers and snowboarders in the most radical way. With a different outcome, this video could claim to be a scene from the movie Final Destination.
Hey! 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 Ooh!
If you shout loudly, then there is a chance that the bear will leave you alone, but you will still need a pair of clean pants.
Stand! Stand down! Hey!
It is unlikely that you have ever seen a flood in the subway, but the residents of Brooklyn in New York have come face to face with it. He was inches away from going to the hospital for months to come. Look at how easily the water flow literally sweeps away the powerful bridge structure. For the state of Maryland, this kind of tornado is quite a familiar phenomenon. In a parallel universe, this motorcyclist was unlucky, and now he rides on another two-wheeled transport. A landslide swept through the streets of a city in eastern China, leaving huge destruction in its wake. Construction cranes are usually designed to build houses, however, in a hurricane wind, their function can become the exact opposite. The metal bridge seemed to have turned into a ship drifting in the raging waters. These cars were in the parking lot a few hours ago, but the flood turned them into a landfill. This is clearly not what you want to see when you go for a serene boat ride. At the end of July 2023, residents of Poland witnessed the largest tornado in recent decades. Look at the guy in the t-shirt, he came very timely. This man was very lucky that he pumped not only strength but also reaction. A house on the seashore is certainly the dream of many, but such purchases always carry a risk. It is unlikely that you have ever seen a tornado of such a bizarre shape before. Fortunately, his motorcycle didn't stall, and there was a replacement set of underwear in the trunk. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.